Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we have a mail call unboxing. When I do these videos, I do them pretty fast and raw. Filming this one on the old cell phone today. That being said, this I believe is an order from Blade HQ. And today I will be opening it up. Oh, not with this one. Well, that was the Revo Nesmuk, by the way. So I'll leave a link to that up here. Great knife. Best Nesmuk folder you can get. But I'll leave that in the eye in the upper right-hand corner. Today we're going to open it up with the CRKT Pilar 3. Pilar. You have to say it like you're speaking Spanish. Pilar. So anyways, let's cut into this. It's a smaller one. I ordered one knife. I got a lot of knives to catch up on, but I also want to stay up with some of the new stuff. But this is just an awesome knife. If you definitely check out some of the other Pilar stuff, I will leave a link in the upper right-hand corner to this knife as well and some of the other videos of it. But definitely check it out. Awesome knife, sharp as heck, and it works great. So here we are. Let's see what we got. All right, so it is a Kershaw we're unboxing today, and it is the Turismo, the 5505 Turismo by Kershaw. This one intrigued me. I saw it. It was announced for 2021, and I thought to myself, I haven't gotten a new Kershaw in a while, though there are some I still need to make videos of, but this one really caught my eye. And let's check it out. Okay, it's actually a lot smaller than what I thought initially. How do I get out? Wow. Okay. Here we are. Very sleek design. It's cold from being outside, just like the rest of the country. It's probably cold. It's been a pretty frigid week. They got some new pocket clip designs going on here. Very sleek, all black stainless steel handles, I want to say. Whoa. Okay. Wasn't sure if it was, but it is speed safe. So it is a speed safe assisted opening knife. There is a small flipper tab there. And that rockets out. Honestly, really cool. Kind of does have a little bit of a Warren Cliffy, sheep's footy, Nesmucky blade shape. Handle's pretty nice, very sleek. You got this really cool backspacer. So first impressions, a little heavier for how small it is than what I expected, but it's pretty decent. The blade stock's a little thicker than what I expected, but the overall fit and finish looks pretty good at first glance here. And I didn't know it was a speed safe design, so I don't know if I even want to. Oh, okay, that kind of works. You have that kind of fuller cutout there. Very easy with that spider flick, middle flick. You have that flipper tab, and then the flipper tab hides away, so you don't really have like a guard, but still pretty cool. I like that you have a nice, generous ricasso there. I really like the blade shape. Overall, super sleek, cool, modern design. It is D2 steel, and I have to say, frame lock, I'm digging it. I'm liking it. It'll be interesting to see how this pocket clip works. They're flat screws, but they're not necessarily recessed, but because of the handle material, it should slide in and out of pocket pretty decently. So, and it is reversible. So, I don't know. So far, so good. I actually, Jesus, that flies out so fast. With that flipper, that is wicked fast. Like, stupid fast. Like, I don't know. I almost, it might be part of the weight of the blade, too. Just because it's so broad, there's definitely a little bit more weight in the blade when this thing flies out, but yeah, that thing just jets out. So I don't know. I dig it. I like it so far. It's cool stuff. So there you have it, guys. This is the Kershaw Turismo. Yeah, I'll be excited to do a review and carry this one around for a while. Please let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you like the style? Would you get this knife? And always let me know what other knives I should check out. Other than that, please check out my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.